Hi friends, welcome to Educate 247. So we are back with our series on root words, which is based on the book Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. So in previous session, I had promised you that we'll be coming up with a session on practice questions in the part 2. So this is the part 2 where we'll be covering the practice exercises for the words discussed in the session 12 part 1. So these are definitely based on the book Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. So if you haven't watched session 12 or any of our previous sessions from 1 to 12, I'll request you to click on the link in the description to view those videos. Also, before we begin, if you are new to our channel, I'll request you to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with amazing MBA related content on our channel. Also, you could follow us on Facebook, Telegram, and also we have the MBA preparation group on Telegram where we share the articles, general awareness questions, and also the MBA exam preparation questions and stuffs which will help you to boost your preparation. Also, we have launched our CAD Booster 2020 course, which is a 360-degree mentorship course, which you could avail at a discount of 1000 for a limited period of time. So don't be quick and subscribe as soon as possible. Regarding our session 12, so here in this session, we'll be discussing match the following and the standard answer whether yes or no. So where we'll test our ability to how much we grasp the vocabulary and how we could apply them and how much you know. So let's begin. So you could just pause the video and try to solve these questions on your own. And then I'll just start solving now. Anthropology was relating to human development, anthropos and logy is study. So science of human development will be called anthropology. Next, astronomy. Astronomy is science of universe, stars, etc. So it's science of heaven. Two, astrology. Astrology, what is astrology? It was impact of planets or stars on the humans. So this is year 1A, theory of influence of planets and stars on humans. This will be 3. Geology is study of earth or study of composition, science of composition of earth. Biology, study of all living matter, whether plants or animals. So science of all living matter will be biology. Geometry, mathematical science. So mathematical science of figures and shapes will be geometry. Botany, botany was study or science of plants. Next, zoology. Zoology was study of animals, science of animal life. 8. Ninth, geography. So geography was relating to the maps, location of places, mountains, rivers. So it's science of earth mapping, which is 9. I hope all the 9 words are clear, meanings are clear. So I'll move forward. Next, again we have 11 words here. Some of the words here may be new, which aren't discussed in session 12. So I'll request you to note them down along with the meaning and remember them. First word is autopsy. What is autopsy? Autopsy was relating to post-mortem or dissection and examination of corpse, which is the dead body. 1. Biopsy. What is biopsy? Biopsy was examination of tissue, the small tissue. So you examine it to study the problem. So examination of tissue. Biography. Biography is so when you write about others' life or someone else's life, it is a biography. So this is someone else's life. And when you write about your own life, it is autobiography. Next, zodiac. Zodiac, what is a zodiac? So it's a chart. The astrologer prepares your chart on based on date and time, and he sees the path of planets, sun, moon, stars, which is going to impact you. So zodiac is diagram of path of sun, moon and planets. Astronaut, what is astronaut? So here astronaut and cosmonaut. So cosmonaut was a Russian astronaut. So here in this match you'll actually find the different meanings for them. So what is astronaut? Astronaut refers to the stars. So sailor among stars will be termed as a astronaut. So this is 6. And cosmos, which means universe. So sailor of universe will be termed as a cosmonaut. Asterisk. So it's a star-shaped flower. Again a new word. So you could just note this down. Astronaut meaning, cosmonaut meaning, and aster. Next is disaster, which is definitely great misfortune. Finally, autonomy. What is autonomy? Autonomy is self-rule. So it's basically democracy, autonomous. So here somewhere you are doing a self-rule. So you are governing body, yourself. Metronome. What is metronome? Metronome is an instrument to measure musical time. So 11. So if you see these 5 words which I have marked are new words which weren't discussed in session 12, but don't forget to note down the words and their meaning. So it is going to help you. Let's move on. Answer whether yes or no. So we'll just move quick. We have 15 questions here. So the first one, are anthropological studies concerned with plant life? Anthropology is relating to human development. So no. Astronomical numbers extremely small. So there is no such thing. Is an astrologer interested in time and date of your birth? Definitely, astrologer draws the zodiac. So how he draws, he takes your time and date of birth. So definitely yes. Nautical maneuvers carry sea. So nautical itself means sea. So yes. Sea objects or things related to sea are related to, so we call them nautical. Disastrous earthquake take huge toll of life. Yes. Do geological investigations sometimes determine oil found? Yes. Does a geometrician work with mathematics? Yes. Geometry is a mathematical science. And if you discuss this, geological relates to Earth. So when you're talking about Earth, you'll see the land mass or the water surface where oil will be found. So it is science of Earth surface. Mathematical science. Geometry is a mathematical science. So geometrician will work on mathematics. Next is, does a geographical shift in population sometimes affect the economy of area? So this is basically a static GK economics question. Definitely, when people move from one place to other, it's going to affect the economy of that area. Next we have here the geographical novel. So first is biographical novel. So does a biographical novel deal with life of a real person? So definitely a biography is written about someone else. So that person is actually a real person. So definitely yes. Botany is a biological science. So biological science could be of living matter, which includes plants and animals. So definitely botany will be a part of biological science, yes. Is United States politically autonomous? So United States is not governed by some other country. It has a self-rule. So definitely yes. Is biopsy performed on a dead body? What is biopsy? It's a study of, means examination of certain tissue. And the performed on dead body, it's Autopsy. So definitely no. Is metronome. Metronome we studied just now. Study of mathematics. No, definitely not. It was calculating time of music. So no. Is autopsy performed on surgical problem? So no, it was biopsy. So again no. And finally, does an author write a autobiography about someone else's life? So does he write about own life or someone else's life? So it's writing about own life. So no again. So with this we end the today's session. I hope you have understood it. If you have any doubts, you could just rewatch the session 12 part 1, and still if you have certain queries, you could mention them in comment section. I hope you have liked this session. So please don't forget to like and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to comment your reviews and suggestions about the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you and have a nice day.